If force F, length L, and time T are taken as the fundamental quantities, then what will be the dimension of density? Force கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, F, length, time கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இதெல்லாம் ஃபண்டமெண்டல் குவான்டிட்டிஸாக கன்சிடர் பண்ண சொல்லி உங்களுக்கு டைமென்ஷன் ஆஃப் டென்சிட்டி கேட்டிருக்காங்க. இப்போ டென்சிட்டிக்கு வந்து உங்களுக்கு வந்து நமக்கு எப்படி இருக்கலாம் டைமென்ஷன் அப்படின்னா F for A, L for B, T for C, because these are the quantities given and taken as fundamental quantities. So you have to find out A, B, T, that is A, B and C. Hence, what will be the dimensional formula for density? M L power minus C, because density is nothing but mass per volume. For mass, M is the dimension, and for volume, L cube is the dimension, and hence M L power minus C. So what about force? For force, M into A, hence M L T power minus 2 whole power A. For L, there is no problem, and for T. So here L power A, hence L power A plus B. Only one M, and the dimension for that one is A, hence M power A. L power A plus B, here L power A, here L power B, hence base equal, hence we can add power, so hence L power A plus B. For T, here minus 2 into A minus 2A, here 6 minus 2A plus 6. That is M power A, L power A plus B, and T power here minus 2A, here 6, so minus 2A plus 6. Here M power 1, L power minus 3. We can notice M as M power M, because you have to compare the dimensions on both sides. According to homogeneity, for M, here 1, here A, hence A is equal to 1. Here there is no T, hence for T power 0. Here L, for L minus 3, so minus 3 must be equal to A plus B. We already found out A equal to 1, hence substitute for A 1 plus B minus 3. So B equal to minus 3 minus 1 equal to minus 4. So B equal to minus 4. So what about for T? Here 0, here 0, here minus 2A plus C. We already found out for A equal to 1 plus C, here 0. So minus 2 plus C equal to 0 or C equal to 2. So A equal to 1, B equal to minus 4, and C equal to 2. So F power A, L power B, T power C. That is F power A is nothing but 1, L power B is nothing but minus 4, C is equal to 2. So F power 1, L power minus 4, T power 2. So option 1 is correct. F, L power minus 4, T power 2. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Subscribe.